Hello, everybody. Let us discuss about the continent of Europe. Actually, this will be a short lecture on the continent of Europe and Africa. But the main purpose of this is to identify the areas that you can study, and you have a clear vision of world, that what is going on in this world, etc. And will have then basic understandings of things. First of all, we will discuss that the continent of Europe, European Union. And European Union, you should know that there are 27 members. Actually, Europe is important because initially there was enlightenment, philosophy, and still now philosophy, science, and these things are the product of Europe and Renaissance. And in Eastern Europe there are two Europe, and then the Eastern Europe and Western Europe, but now there is one Europe. Humanism is another important concept in this regard, and you can also know about the UK, Australia, and USA. Japan are against nowadays China. So, and Germany, if we talk about the Germany, you should know that it is fourth world economy. On the top we have USA, and the second number we have China, and on fourth number we have Germany. You have to understand things about G7 and G20 countries, and philosophy about the science and enlightenment and these things. Actually, this is an introductory class, and this way you will know the important areas. And whenever you see things about the European Union or continents of Europe, then you will easily get the point or just collect the information, and this way you will have command over things or concepts, that what is going on in the world. You will then have understanding of world, that how the world is, what are the current issue of the world, and what are going on, and these things. Now let us Russia. Russia is if I say Russia is, let me ask a question from you, that is Russia in G7 countries? What will be your answer? Your answer may be yes, but Russia is not an G7 country. Brexit, you have to know about the Brexit. It is also important from the perspective of current affairs. And top issue in Russia now, the Russia, what is the I am discussing this, but you have to mainly focus on this issue, that the Russia have invasion the Ukraine, and you have to know each and everything about Russia, Ukraine, and these things. And this was about a short introductory class lecture on European Union and Europe, the continent of Europe. Now after when you listen the world, the continent of Europe, automatically things will appear in your mind, that yes, I have to note down things related with this. And can you tell me the capital of Poland? And you have to remember it, that you have to know the capital and currencies of these countries as well. These countries, these are important, and you can also search the geography and demography and the culture, the languages they speak. So these are basic information. You have to this information. So and this way this will help you and everything. Like for example, if you know about the enlightenment, so enlightenment, it will help you in writing essays. And if you know about the sciences, it also help you. And about the philosophy, if you know about these, so you can give examples in this regard. Now let us discuss things about Africa. Now, you know, the question can be expected subjectively as well as of course objectively. You know, you should know the capitals, you should know the actually Africa, the continent of Africa is unexplored. And now the Pakistan also want to have relations with this country. And look Africa initiate you. So this is also a recent initiative. You should know about it, that what are the interests of Pakistan in this continent, etc. And then you have to know you also have to know about the geography, the country names, that what are the countries in Africa, and what are the currencies and languages, like and for example in Ethiopia, what is the language in Congo, what is the language in South Africa. You know about South Africa and North Africa, and there are multiple things that you can know about it. French is mostly speaking, in Africa, in an African country. In this only the French is mostly they are speaking French speaking country. There are much countries that speak French in Africa. So you should know these basic information, and this way you will in this way your knowledge will increase. Now I would like to tell you that now I will go for Pushto practice, and we have also classes on Pushto, so let us do it there.